One of the most profitable industries you can easily make your millions in Nigeria today is the fashion business. Now, Nigeria is a fashion freak country, one of the most fashion crazy countries on earth, really. Now, we don't need to talk long about that, but if you live in Nigeria, you already know how many events happen around you every week. Your church is not doing a youth week, the final year students in a school nearby, they are doing their final year week. Your mastermind group are looking for the next class uniform for the oncoming programs. Bank staffs are now using fashionable t-shirts on dress down Fridays, and the list goes on and on. Now, let's even leave that. As individuals, people now love to wear customized hoodies, t-shirts, face cap, and stuff like that. The fashion industry is really open and booming in Nigeria. And if you're looking for an industry to enter right now, I 100% want to recommend the print on demand business. And really, even beyond the shores of Nigeria, this business work even in other countries. Now, just in case you exactly don't know what the print on demand business is all about. Now, print on demand, or what we call the POD, you have the opportunity to set up a clothesline business that sells customized tops, t-shirts, face caps, hoodies, and so on. And even beyond clothes, you can customize, cups, mugs, and several other materials. And then you can do this and make money without lifting a finger. You are just making money from fashion business without knowing anything about fashion, thanks to digital technology. Now, very quickly before I show you how to start your own, let's talk about how the print on demand business work. To start this business and make money, you require just a few steps. Number one, you need to decide and sign up with a POD platform online. That is a print on demand platform online. This platform will be the ones to source the kind of cloth that you or your customer want. They're going to be the ones to be in charge of the quality, the color, the size, and every other thing. You are doing nothing. All you have to do on this platform is just to pick the kind of clothes or cap or material that you want. Then either you or your customer will give you the design that they want to be printed on that material. Then all you need to do is to upload the design and place it anywhere on the cloth or the material. Remember, you are doing all of this online. Now, once you're done choosing your cloth and placing your design, this platform will be the ones to print out the cloth for you, and all you just do is to deliver the cloth to your customer if you're doing this for business, and then you collect your money. It's that simple. Now, this is all it takes for you to start your clothing company. But now there is a problem. The problem is that most of the companies that offer the POD services are actually foreign based. Examples of some popular ones are Amazon, Etsy, and Printify. It can be a little bit challenging working with these foreign companies. But I have a good news for you. There is a print on demand company now in Nigeria that can make your print on demand business dream a reality. And the name of this company is called Vendblue. I've done my research on them, and I can assure you 100% that Vendblue is legit and you can start your POD business on this platform. All you need is just to sign up for free with this website by typing vendblue.com on your browser. I will also leave the sign up link in the video description. Just use your email address and follow the simple account creation steps as you're seeing. It's going to ask you to verify your sign up. So just check your email inbox and copy out the code sent to you there, paste it in here and verify. Input your phone number and here give your store a name. Again, here at your unique URL, I will just type in my store name here. If it is not available, you can add a number or just use something that is unique. Again, just follow these simple steps, and once you're done, you will be ushered into your Vendblue dashboard. Okay, so once you finish your account setup, it's going to bring you to this dashboard. As you can see here, this is my own dashboard. It's not new, so you can see that I already have some sales done here. And here you can see I can make my withdrawal as I have almost 6,000 naira here. But in your own case, you're supposed to be having everything reading 0000. Don't worry, you too are about to start making your own money. So once you are here, what you want to do to create your first print on demand product or cloth or shirt or hoodie, whichever way you want to create, is for you to come to this create a new product here. So you can see here, you can also come here and do the same. So I'm just going to come here and click on create a product. And once I do that, it's going to display a number of products that I can create on Vendblue. You can create digital downloads, you can do online courses, you can create bundles and the rest. But in this case, you want to come to this mesh here and you want to click on mesh. And then it's going to open this page for you and ask what you want to create. Currently on Vendblue, you can actually design just 4 different types of clothing. So you can do a unisex cotton t-shirt, you can do a unisex hoodie, you can do a unisex sweatshirt, and then you can do a classic dad hat. Okay, so these are the 4 products that are currently available on Vendblue. Don't worry, they are going to be uploading more products for you to be able to do. So what I'm going to do here, let's assume that I want to go and create this hoodie. All I need to do is just to click on this hoodie here, and as you can see, unisex hoodie, the price here is 22,900. So you can see here, you can choose your color, you can choose black, you can choose white, you can choose platinum, you can choose silver. As you can see here, all of these colors are all available for you. And then for sizes, you can go with small, you can go with medium, large, extra large, extra large, and the rest. So you can see here 65% ring spun cotton, 35% polyester. You can see that everything that this hoodie is made up of is already stated here for you. So what you want to do to create your print on demand or your design on this particular hoodie is for you to click on start designing. All right, so it's going to bring you here where you can now make your design. As you can see here, I can choose the color of the hoodie that I want. If I want it in black, you can see I can choose black. If I want it in white, I can leave it here at white. If I want blue, I can leave it at blue. Okay, so let's just leave it at white here. Okay, another thing you can do, of course, is that you can set the available size that you want. If I want it in large, if I want it in extra large, as you can see, it's as simple as that. So I have it in large here, and if I want to choose more than one size, I can also choose. You can see I can choose multiple sizes. Okay, so that is how that works. And if I scroll all the way down here, I can set up my prices, as you can see here. Okay, so I can modify this price. If I want to modify my price, maybe I want to increase it or reduce it. So depending on the price that you choose, you're going to see the amount that you're going to be making for a profit under here. Okay, so once I'm done setting my colors and my sizes, I can also come here and then I can add my design. This is where the beauty all comes in. So what happens here is that you already should have your design that you want to place on your hoodie or whatever product that you want to design. Ideally, if you're working for a client or a customer, they should have presented the design that they want to be on their shirt. And you can also do it for them. You can meet a designer to design whatever it is for them. If you're doing it for someone, and if it is yourself, you can do your design by yourself. You can even do it on Canva if you like, and you can also allow a graphic designer to get you a very nice design. So I want to assume now that I already have my design done. All I need to do is to import this design into this platform. So what I need to do here is just to come to this click or select image here. I'm going to click on that, and then I can go to my computer and I can upload my designs. All right, so I'll come to my laptop. I'm going to choose my design here, and I'm going to wait for it to upload successfully. Once I upload it, it's going to highlight this done here. So you can see it is done, so I'm going to click on done, and then you can see now that my design has been uploaded and it's now well placed on this shirt. So this is what it's going to look like on this shirt. And then if I scroll all the way down, I can preview this. And as you can see, this is what it's going to look like in different colors. Of course, I want okay, you can see here, I actually chose 3 colors. Okay, so if I want it to just be in only one color, I would deselect all of this. So you can see it's going to just show, it's going to only be in white. If I refresh this, it's going to give me only white. And if I want it in all the colors, I can choose all of the colors as you have seen here. So this is what it looks like. If I come to basic information here, you're going to see all the description of this shirt. As you can see here, this is how it works. So I'm going to go back to my product. Okay, so here it is. Okay, let me just go with my normal colors. Okay, so here it is in white color. So once I'm satisfied with this design, all I need to do is just to click on this publish. All right, so once I do that, this is already published here. So if I want to see what this design look like, I can actually come to my URL here. All right, so here is it. So let's see what this product is going to look like. So I'm going to click on this, and then let's see what it's going to look like in real time. Okay, so you can see this is what this color looks like. Okay, so this is what your customers are going to see, and then if they want this, of course, all they need to do is just to click here and they buy now. And like I told you, it is Vendblue that does all the printing, all the sorting for you. All you need to do is just to get your money and make your profit from it. And of course, if you have customers that you need to deliver to yourself, of course, you can always arrange that with Vendblue. Get your product, and then you can ship or send to your customers all over the world, and then they can get their product and you make your money from it. This is how it works, guys. But of course, without proper marketing, there is no business. So you need to publicize your print on demand business. You need to send out your store links on social media. You need to create social media content around your business. And I also recommend that you run ads if you have a little bit of money to do that. These are just some of the ways to make sure that customers will keep seeing your business, and then they can keep patronizing you. I'll be publishing more marketing videos on how you can quickly expand your business. So you want to make sure that you are subscribed on this channel so you get to see when I publish those videos. Please like this video, share it, and if you have any question for me about this business or about Vendblue, I'll be waiting to see them in the comment section. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.